the source manufacturer of the roller marble station. What are the advantages? The first is strict quality control from the purchase of raw materials to processing and assembly. Ensure that the main structure of the mixer is sturdy and durable. Installation and debugging before delivery. 3 or H type 1 is sturdy and durable. Bobbin batching machine with weighing ratio, equipped with automobile rear axle and rear tire, fully automatic computer operating system, saves time and effort. Load and shift. The second is price advantage. There is no price increase in the middleman. The source manufacturer sells the product directly to the customer, give you the most favorable price directly. The third is customized service advantage. According to the special needs of customers, such as mixing capacity, mixing